As this appliance produces potentially lethal carbon monoxide, it must be used only in a well-vented area, preferably outdoors. Be sure to set the heater and the propane tank on a level, non-combustible surface in an upright position only. Before operation, check to make sure the tip-over switch is connected and vertical, and the wires are connected and undamaged. Next, check the hose for any cracks or damage, making sure not to drag the regulator on the ground. Check the regulator, specifically the rubber O-ring, for any significant damage. Remove the valve cap and firmly attach the heater's regulator to the propane tank. Open the valve, making at least 5 rotations. Kneel beside the heater rather than in front, and while holding the reset button, depress the red spark ignition button repeatedly until the burner is lit. Alternatively, hold a lighted match or lighter to the burner face, and depress and hold the reset button on the safety valve. Continue to hold the reset button for about a minute until the burners glow cherry red. At this point, release the reset button and the burners should stay lit. If not, repeat the process, but hold the reset button for a longer duration. The 35K heater incorporates a tip-over switch, a safety feature which stops the flow of propane to the heater when it is unexpectedly knocked over. The propane tank valve should be shut off immediately after the tip-over switch is enabled. To turn off the appliance, firmly shut the propane tank valve. Observe the burner until the flame is extinguished. After shutting off, the heater will remain extremely hot. Allow at least 15 minutes for cooling before handling and storing. Unfasten the regulator and replace the valve cap. Wrap up the hose and tie on to the cooled heater. Store the heater face down to avoid water from building up inside the burner.